Maine says she does like cranberry.
Oh, Maine.
They do like cranberry popcorn strings. Look, It's a Wonderful Life.
Oh.
It was just on. They had it on already.
Daddy,
I'm sure they did.
Daddy, is this one a good one right here?
Yes, it's my favorite.
Daddy?
Let me see, sweeties.
Right here?
Yeah, let's see. Oh, yeah, that looks
We went
great.
to Edison High
That's
School
close.
today.
Let's see. Let's put
Got
that
our
guy over
tree.
there.
Look at Tess! Tess, how old are you?
15?
Wait, I can't hear you, sweetheart.
15, Mommy.
Ah, Elsa, how old are you?
2. 13.
Megan, how old are you, love?
7.
Wait, look at me and smile like you're happy about it. Okay, good. Pete, we won't ask you how old you are. We're not gonna.
Oh, wait, no, it was 62 in the car.
62.
Ow. That hurt.
Merry
Okay,
Christmas,
I'm gonna
Merry
stop the movie if you guys just all turn around to me and say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!